In this video, I'm going to show you how you can bet on the Soccer World Cup winner on Polymarket. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. But before starting, I want to let you know that Polymarket is currently running a special offer. So if you sign up using the referral link I will leave in the description below, you will get a bonus on your first deposit if it's of at least $20. So I recommend you to deposit $21 or more, and this way you will get the bonus of free cash directly on your wallet. So firstly, if you don't have money on your wallet, you can click deposit and then use crypto or cash to deposit directly on your wallet. You have a lot of different payment methods available, and then go here to search for the bet. So we can search for World Cup or FIFA World Cup, and you should find the FIFA World Cup winner bet. So if we click there, we have all the different teams we can bet on. So for example, let's say we think Spain will win, we can buy yes sirs. Here we can see the chance of each team winning according to Polymarket. And if we think Spain will win, we can click here and then select the amount of money we want to spend. So for example, right here, if I bet $5 and I win, I will win $30. Big saving. So if I want to buy right here, we will get those shares and we can go to the portfolio and then open orders, and we will find the open order right here, which is the bet we just placed. And we will also see a redeem or claim button, so you can withdraw the bet whenever you want, or you can just wait for the World Cup to finish. So if you get the bet right, you will get the full amount. After that, you can just click withdraw and withdraw your winnings to any coin right here and on any network as well. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.